See, it is a brave job done by this young boy of saving 3 lives, and it is a tremendous leadership sort of a quality. Today, Jenna amka dista ek daklo burgo 3 burgyank tene salvar keli, and it is a bravery job. It is a commendable job. Today we have moved a congratulatory motion in the house for this young boy, and I think the government should promote such type of heroic acts of bravery. I think the Honorable Chief Minister has also met him, and I wish him all the best in all his future endeavors, all his parents as well. I wish them all the best, and all the teachers, because it is because of their just shikshan temtang dila. Somewhere he has taken this into his life and gone there and saved this children. So I congratulate the teachers, the staff of the school, the parents, and it is a proud moment for Goa. We will definitely recommend his name for the President Bravery Award, and I am quite sure that the Chief Minister would also be in favor of this.
Thank you.
Thank you.